All right, guys, we got a 2019 Cadillac Escalade, 6.2 liter. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. You guys can see very, very quiet. Here's sound decibels. Right at 84. So we're gonna make it loud and sound good. So he brought in his own Corsa system, Corsa Performance, part number 1486826. Is a single exhaust right there. Corsa Performance cat back single. So on the Escalade, guys, all the way from New York. Got the resonator there and the muffler there, and the Corsa starts right after the third cat on this clamp. But this clamp is all rusted out because it's a New York car, so we're gonna have to cut it and weld it up from there. But keep this joint just in case they ever replace it. They'll have a joint to replace it from. There it is. And there's the Corsa muffler and tailpipe that comes on this thing. And that little piece I showed you guys earlier. So stay tuned. 2019 Cadillac Escalade with 52,000 miles all the way from New York. He moved to Nashville. Welcome to Nashville. And he's like, I've been watching you guys for years. I said, I got to get my exhaust done. So I got you. We'll hook you up. So converter, Y pipe, third converter. And then as you guys can see from this, it's a Corsa axle back kit. Starts right there. If you guys saw in the video, I explained that we had to cut it there because that bolt is rusted and will break. And they did not supply a clamp, so we didn't have one in stock either. So to complete the job, we just cut it and welded. It's better than leaking. Then the flex pipe goes there. That all came part of the kit, by the way, this piece with the flex pipe. There's the ginormous muffler. As you guys can see, look, it's huge. Boom, boom, boom. 6 handfuls. It's huge and wide. But some way, it still makes a lot of sound. So we'll see. Then tailpipe 3-inch, all mandrel bent. And then there's that sexy tip at the end. The Corsa style tip right there. Came out nice and clean. As you guys can see right there. There it is. All nice and done. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. All right. 19 Cadillac Escalade with the Corsa catback system. Single. Go ahead. Oh, I'm in your way. Nice idle to it. Give it gas. There'll be a link in the description for it, guys. What do you think, boss? You like it? This sounds perfect. Again? That sounds really clean. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 101. So it's not crazy, but still throaty. Again? Go ahead and back it up. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. It's a little bit hot today, but it's okay. It is what it is. This is our beautiful shop, right down the street from Skyline Hospital and right before Due West Avenue. Give us a call or come on by. Sounds even better outside. Oh yeah, that's clean. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. 19 Escalade with a Corsa Extreme system, Corsa Performance, catback single exhaust. She's ready to rip and roll. Here we go. Wow, that is clean. Corsa and Borla, man, that's why they're the best. Enjoy, guys.